SSL record protocol. SSL record protocol provides two services for SSL connections. One is confidentiality, the other one is message integrity. Confidentiality. The handshake protocol defines a shared secret key that is used for conventional encryption of SSL payloads. Message integrity. The handshake protocol also defines a shared secret key that is used to form a message authentication code. So this is the format of SSL record operation. Application data, first it is divided into some fragments and each fragment is then compressed, and the compressed fragments we add some MAC, message authentication code, and then it is encrypted, and after encrypting we append some SSL record header. This is the SSL record operation. So the record protocol takes an application message to be transmitted and then fragments the message into manageable blocks, optionally compresses the data, and then we have added some MAC and encrypts and adds a header and transmits the resulting unit in a TCP segment. The received data are decrypted, verified, decompressed, reassembled before being delivered to a higher level users. This is what we have shown. The first step is the fragmentation. Each upper layer message is fragmented into a manageable block. It's a block of 214 bytes or less. Next, the compression is optionally applied. Compression must be lossless and may not increase the content length by more than 1024 bytes. The next step in processing is to compute a message authentication code over the compressed data. For this purpose, a shared key is used. Next, the compressed message plus the MAC are encrypted using the symmetric encryption algorithm. The next step in processing is to compute the message authentication code over compressed data. For this is a shared secret key is used. This is the header structure of SSL record protocol. Content type, major version, minor version, compressed length, plain text, sometimes it is compressed, sometimes not compressed. Then MAC usually 0 to 0, 16 or 20 bytes of MAC. These MAC as well as the plain text are usually encrypted. So the final step of SSL protocol is processing is to prepare a header consists of the following field. Content type 8 bits. Major version 8 bits, minor version 8 bits, compressed length 16 bits. Content type, the higher layer protocol used to process the enclosed fragment. Major version 8 bits indicates major version of the SSL in use. For SSL version 3, the value is 3. Minor version, that is 8 bit, indicates the minor version in use. For SSL version 3, the value is 0. Compressed length 16 bits, the length in bytes of the plain text fragment or compressed fragment if the compression is used. Chain cipherspec protocol. The chain cipherspec protocol is one of the 3 SSL specific protocols that use the SSL record protocol, and it is the simplest. This protocol consists of a single message which consists of a single byte with value 1. The purpose of this message is to cause the pending state to be copied into the current state, which updates the cipher suite to be used on the connection. Alert protocol. The alert protocol is used to convey SSL related alerts to the peer entity. Each message in this protocol consists of 2 bytes. The first byte takes the value warning 1 or fatal 2 to convey the severity of the message. If the level is fatal, SSL immediately terminates the connection. Other connections on the same session may continue, but no new connections on this session may be established. The second byte contains a code that indicates the specific alert. Handshake protocol. The protocol allows the server and client to authenticate each other and to negotiate an encryption and MAC algorithm and cryptographic keys to be used to protect data sent in an SSL record. The handshake protocol is used before any application data is transmitted. Handshake protocol consists of a series of messages exchanged by client and server. So type 1 byte, length 3 bytes, and the content is of any bytes. So this is the data format of handshake protocol. So the type 1 byte indicates one of the 10 messages: hello, request, client, hello, etc. Length 3 bytes, the length of the message in bytes. Content is greater than -1. That is, content should have some content. The parameters related with the message. Then handshake protocol, message type hello request, parameter null, hello client, version, random, session ID, cipher suite, compression method, server hello യും client hello യും almost same parameters ആണ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സർട്ടിഫിക്കറ്റ് chain of x.509 version 3 certificate, server key exchange parameters signature, certificate request type authorities, server done null, certificate verify signature, client key exchange parameter signature finished hash value.